Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel. I am Noorin Ansari और आज हम जो समझने जा रहे हैं वो है टॉपिक, उसका है भगत सिंह द रेवोल्यूशनरी हीरो। ओके, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा ऐसे। उससे पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा ऐसे। भगत सिंह, a name that resonate with courage, sacrifices, and the spirit of freedom, holds a special place in the heart of Indians. Born on September 28, 1907, in a small village in Punjab, Bhagat Singh emerged a prominent figure in the Indian independence movement. Despite his short life, he left an indelible mark on the pages of history through his heroic deeds and unwavering dedication towards the nation. Bhagat Singh's journey toward becoming a revolutionary began at an early age. Growing up in politically charged environment, he was deeply influenced by the prevailing socio-political conditions in the country. Witnessing the Jallianwala Bagh massacre at the tender age of 12 left a profound impact on his young mind. This incident ignited the fire of patriotism within him and served as a catalyst for his future endeavors. As a member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association (HSRA), Bhagat Singh played a crucial role in organizing and executing several revolutionary activities. He believed in the power of armed resistance against the oppressive British rule. One of the most significant acts of defiance by Bhagat Singh was the bombing of the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi on April 8, 1929. Though no lives were lost, this incident was a wake-up call for the British government, highlighting the determination and fearlessness of the freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh's ideology was deeply rooted in his belief in socialism and the principles of equality and justice.
He advocated for the rights of workers and peasants and fought against the exploitative capitalist system.
He also emphasized the importance of communal harmony and opposed communalism and religious divisions. Bhagat Singh's writings, including his famous pamphlet Why I Am an Atheist, showcased his progressive and rational thinking. The trial of Bhagat Singh for the Lahore conspiracy case became a turning point in his life. He used the court as a platform to voice his revolutionary ideas and expose the oppressive nature of the British regime. His famous statement "Inqilab Zindabad, long live the revolutionary" reverberated across the nation and inspired countless freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh's fearless attitude and his refusal to plead for mercy even on the face of gallows left an indomitable impression on the collective consciousness of the Indian people. On March 23, 1931, Bhagat Singh, along with his comrades Rajguru and Sukhdev, was hanged to death by the British authorities.
Their martyrdom further fueled the flame of the independence movement.
Bhagat Singh became a symbol of courage and sacrifice, and his name became synonymous with the struggle for freedom. Bhagat Singh's legacy continues to inspire generations of Indians. His relentless pursuit of justice, his unwavering commitment to the cause of freedom, and his sacrifice for the nation serve as a shining example for all. His life teaches us the importance of standing up for what is right, even in the face of adversity. Bhagat Singh's words and actions remind us that true heroes are not those who merely exist in history books, but those who live in our hearts and continue to inspire us to strive for better and more just society. In conclusion, Bhagat Singh, the revolutionary hero, will always be remembered as a symbol of courage, sacrifice, and unwavering dedication to the nation. His life and ideals continue to ignite the fire of patriotism in the hearts of Indians, reminding us that the struggle for freedom is a journey that requires sacrifice and unwavering determination. Bhagat Singh's legacy will forever inspire generations to come, urging them to take a stand for what is right and fight for a better tomorrow. तो ये था हमारा ऐसे जो कंप्लीट हो गया है। अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं और वीडियो काम आए तो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज।